Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect my Ecommerce store to Activecampaign. It's pretty easy to do, and if you'd like to follow along, I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can click it to try Activecampaign for free or use it to log in easily. Let's get started. We'll cover how to connect both Shopify and WooCommerce to Activecampaign. Log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Then search for Activecampaign in the Shopify App Store. Click Add App, then Install App. This will prompt you to log into your Activecampaign account. Once logged in, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between Shopify and Activecampaign. Click Allow. Now you can set up your data sync preferences. Once you're done, click Finish Setup. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Activecampaign. By following the same steps, you can connect Activecampaign to WooCommerce. Have any questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.